Minisita w'ihanga uri kujinanzibwa hakushijima okusente ya gavumenti iri kushozibwa hutariho no kwentekateka za gavumenti zitari zimwe na zimwe ziri kutwazibwa atayayireho mu kicweka ekya Greater Masaka okushijima kw'emirimo ya gavumenti iri kutwazibwa mu kicweka eki. Honorable Minister Beatrice Akero utayayorwe aritandikire mu district ya Lyantonde kandi ogu ahikire aha kitebe kya district egi ahashangira abakozi ba gavumenti hutariho n'abebembezi mu ndengo zitari zimwe na zimwe. Banyima Minister Akero ahishyireho ishomero rya St Mary's Tesa Primary School yashangira abashomesa bararomba ibina utariho no kugira ngo numubare kuri sizente ngo hamwe n'enkoko zabo.
We have found that the head teacher is not completely in charge of the schools. The inspector of schools no longer inspect the schools, because the classrooms which has been constructed by government has been turned into the cattle kraal. It has been turned into a store for storing poults, for rearing chicken, very smelly.
Minister Akero eki ategekera ubutafayo obumwebembezi w'ishomero ati nuko kuragira ko mukuru w'ishomero eri Machati Ambrose akwatwa akatwarwa inyuma y'imtehimbwa.
I think the district authority, they need to consider allocating some funds to set up teachers accommodation in this primary school. Therefore, I have ordered for the arrest of the head teacher of this school and the person who is rearing the chicken in the classroom, who are keeping animals in the classroom, logs in the classroom. There's total misuse of the classrooms, and the classrooms are so filthy.
Chairperson w'entebe ya katana haba district egi Fred Muhangi abandize kushobora minister ko bine uburemezi bwo buhereza buco mu district egi okukira munonga okugira ngo abashomesa bari kushomesa mu mashomero ga government agari kutiro bwinji tebine buraro hegera kubaretera kurarumba ibina uragira ngo na sente ziri kubahebwa government kubeisa amashomeraga dince munonga wageragereza n'ibyetengo ebiri mu
Somero nga kiteso raba weriri turina staff quarters abasomesa basora mu classroom ekyo nakyo kizibu kiri yawo nakyerabira n'amasoge ate sente zetufuna ntono nnyo kubanga buli mwaka tubadde tufuna milioni 10 boziteeka mu procurement tuzina kyezikora nosanga nga n'amasomero agamu tugayina bigo ne classroom tuziri nga bwe tuse ekiteesa.
Abandi bebembezi bashabire government okufayo munonga kuri bikangu yatekateka hamture y'abakozi ba government.
If they put in consideration the challenge she has discovered, the shortfall in the funds, I think these problems, once they are solved and the local governments are increased in funding, all these problems can be rectified.
Amazzi matono obwokuba situgalina naye singa tugalina singa situyina buzibu kati saawa eno tugajja mu kilomita nga 15
bale tufuna amazzi wano waffe ku Kenyerere naye ekireeta obuzibu mikutu kubanga emikutu egyo yabadde gyeta amazzi egyo giyita mu misiri emisiri egyo abananyini misiri ne baziba emikutu egyo yamaze gutana bale tugafuna bulungi wano.
Abanyuma yebi Minister Beatrice Akero atayireho mbiceka bitari bimwe na bimwe okushijuma etekateka za government z'ebyentungu kahezirwe enkore ya parish development model uko biri kutwazibwa mu district egi bakora hagagasha kwa Bashir Karema abatayari Wisdom Lyantonde.